Hi guys, thanks for buzzing in again to Digital Wealth Hive. I've been really curious about something lately. It's a question that seems to be at the heart of our generation. How can we make money without actually having to work hard for it? It's like the ultimate puzzle, don't you think? We're not all wired to be those relentless hustlers, and the idea of grinding nonstop just doesn't sit well with everyone. Now, I'm not saying we should all turn into couch potatoes, but it's intriguing to explore these unconventional ways of earning money that align more with our desire for relaxation and freedom. So buckle up, because I've delved into some seriously interesting ways to make money without giving up our laid-back vibes. Let's dive in, shall we? Let's explore this notion together. Imagine never having to get out of bed to make money while still feeling productive and carefree. Isn't that a concept worth pondering? After doing some research, I've uncovered 15 laid-back ways to make money, some even up to $100 a day with minimal effort. And guess what? Even if you're not naturally inclined towards laziness, there are a few ideas here that you might find appealing as side gigs. Now let's explore into these 10 methods for making money in the most carefree ways possible. Let's get real about the first cool way to make money: reviewing luxury hotels. I mean, come on. Who wouldn't want to kick back and enjoy the whole fancy hotel vibe while also making some cash by sharing your thoughts? Picture this: chillin' like a VIP by the pool, savoring seriously good food, and then casually chatting about it all online. And guess what? You're not just enjoying the high life, you're also snagging $120 a day for giving your honest take. Now here's the cool part. You can do this from anywhere. Yeah, you heard right. Whether you're in a busy city or lounging on a calm beach, the money keeps rolling in. Who would have thought that talking about luxury could also line your pockets? It's like a dream come true, right? Not only do you get to indulge in luxurious experiences, but you also get paid handsomely for sharing your thoughts. It's the perfect gig for those who appreciate the finer things in life and want to make some extra cash while doing so. So if you've got a talent for living it up and telling it like it is, this could be your ticket to living large. Now, if you've got a knack for capturing those picture-perfect moments, why not transform your passion into a steady stream of income? Imagine this: you're out and about, capturing scenes that catch your eye. It could be a stunning sunset, a vibrant cityscape, or even the delicate beauty of a flower. Now, instead of letting those shots gather virtual dust on your device, you can upload them to stock photography websites. And here's where the magic happens. Every time someone decides to download or buy one of your photos, you earn a commission. It's like turning your visual creativity into a money-making machine. So if you've got that camera itch and a portfolio of captivating shots, why not share them with the world and let them bring in some extra bucks for you? It's a win-win situation. Your passion shines through, and your wallet gets a healthy boost too. Another easy option to consider is taking surveys. It's as straightforward as it sounds. You share your opinions by participating in online surveys, and in return, you pocket some spare change. Now let's be real. This might not be your golden ticket to becoming a millionaire overnight, but hey, it's a convenient way to add a little extra padding to your wallet. Plus, it's something you can do in your downtime, during your commute, while watching TV, or even during your coffee break. So while it might not make you rich, it's a simple and fuss-free approach to scoring some additional cash on the side. Let's take it up a notch. You can even get paid for doing what most of us already do: watching videos. That's right. If you're already spending your precious time watching videos online, why not turn that screen time into some extra cash? There are platforms like Inbox Dollars and MyPoints that are more than happy to reward you for your leisurely video watching sessions. It's like a win-win situation. You get to enjoy your favorite content, and your wallet gets a little fatter in the process. So the next time you're glued to your screen, remember that you can turn those hours into a modest stream of income without breaking a sweat. And let's not forget about another clever way to cash in: renting out your vehicle. If you've got a spare set of wheels, or perhaps a car that spends more time in the garage than on the road, why not put it to work? Platforms like GetAround make it a breeze to turn your idle vehicle into a money-making machine. Instead of letting it gather dust, you can rent it out to private travelers or even companies in need of wheels. It's a smart way to earn a pretty penny from an asset that would otherwise just be taking up space. Plus, you're helping someone else out while you're at it. So whether you're looking to pad your pockets or simply put your vehicle to good use, renting it out could be the savvy solution you've been searching for. If you've got fantastic concepts for making some additional money, feel free to leave a comment down below. This way, we can delve into those suggestions and uncover new avenues together. Your insights are valuable, so don't hesitate to share your thoughts. Now, if you're already spending hours on Netflix, why not get paid for it? Apply to be an editorial analyst at Netflix, where you'll watch shows and movies, all while earning some extra cash. It's like getting paid to indulge in your favorite pastime. So, if you're a self-proclaimed binge watcher, this could be the perfect opportunity to monetize your downtime. If you have a spare room or property, why not make money by renting it out on Airbnb? It's an easy way to monetize space that would otherwise be unused. Plus, with Airbnb's user-friendly platform, you can set your own availability and pricing, giving you the flexibility to earn extra income on your terms. Whether it's a guest room, an entire apartment, or even a cozy cabin, there's a potential source of income waiting to be tapped. So if you're looking to make some additional bucks without much hassle, consider becoming an Airbnb host today. You can also make money while shopping. Platforms like Fetch Rewards and Swagbucks offer you the chance to earn cashback or rewards for your everyday shopping, which is something you're likely already doing anyway. So why not turn your regular shopping trips into a way to earn a little extra cash or get some great rewards? It's a simple and convenient way to make the most of your purchases. Plus, who doesn't love the idea of getting a little something back while indulging in some retail therapy? It's a mutually beneficial situation that enhances the shopping experience. Now listen, the next one on the list is one of people's favorites. If you're a gamer, you might be able to turn your hobby into a paying gig. Participate in game testing jobs to earn money while you play. This is like the ultimate dream come true for gaming enthusiasts, getting paid to immerse yourself in virtual worlds and provide valuable feedback. Imagine the satisfaction of knowing that your insights could contribute to making games even better for players worldwide. It's not just about racking up points in a game. You're also stacking up some extra cash. So if your thumbs are itching for action and your gaming skills are top-notch, why not level up your earnings while having a blast? This could be your chance to transform your gaming passion into a rewarding opportunity that puts dollars in your pocket. For the final piece of advice, if you're already in the habit of suggesting products or services to your friends and acquaintances, here's an ingenious way to put those recommendations to work for you. Why not seize the opportunity to earn a commission while you're at it? Enter the world of affiliate marketing, a savvy strategy that empowers you to reap the rewards of your influence. With affiliate marketing, you stand to gain a portion of the profits every time someone completes a purchase using your unique referral link or special code. Think about it. You're not just endorsing products, you're creating a network of connections that can generate passive income for you over time. Your referrals could translate into a steady stream of earnings that adds up over weeks, months, and even years. The best part is, it doesn't require constant effort. Once you've set up your affiliate partnerships and shared your unique link or code, you can sit back and watch the magic happen. So, if you're the go-to person for recommendations among your circle, why not make those recommendations work for you in more ways than one? Dive into the world of affiliate marketing and turn your penchant for pointing people toward the best products and services into a genuine income-generating venture. Remember, not all of these methods might be a perfect fit for everyone, but they're a testament to the diversity of opportunities available to make money in more relaxed ways. So, whether you're all about the hustle or you prefer to take things easy, there's definitely a way to supplement your income without breaking a sweat. And who knows, maybe one of these methods could be your ticket to financial freedom with a side of leisure. Thank you for tuning in to today's video. If you found these tips on how to earn extra cash in relaxed ways helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to join our community for more valuable content. And as always, if you have any questions, ideas, or experiences to share, please leave a comment below. Until next time, keep exploring those leisurely ways to boost your income. This has been Digital Wealth Hive, your gateway to financial freedom, and remember, always be wealthy.